नमस्कार मुलांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता चौथीच्या पाचवीच्या 1 ते 20 पर्यंतच्या संख्यांची उजळणी पाहणार आहोत. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न the numbers 1 to 20. In corona period we have forgotten some numbers, but by this lecture we must remember all the numbers. So listen to me carefully and say after me also. Okay? First, say count from 1 to 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay? Now listen carefully. See, the number is 5. Is 5. This is 7. This is 7. 11. This is 11. 16. This is 16. 9. This is 9. 13 is 13. 18, 18. 6, 6. 20, 20. Now, what is 5? 5 means, listen here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 dots. Means 5. Okay? There are 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is called 5. 5. We write the numbers this time. Okay? It is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 lines. 7. 11. Listen, 11 means 1 10 and 1 unit. 11 means 1 10 and 1 unit. So, right here, this is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1 unit. 1 10, 1 unit means 11. Okay? 1 10, 1 unit means 11. 16. 16 means 1 10 and 6 units. Units or ones. Okay. 1 10 and 6 units. So draw here is tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 110. 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 110, 6 units. 16. 110, 6 units. 16. 110, 6 units. 16. Okay? This is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 arrows. There are 9 arrows. Means 9. 13. 13 means 110, 3 units. 13 means 110, 3 units. So write down. Draw. Listen here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 110 and 3 units. 110, 3 units, 13. 110, 3 units, 13. 110, 8 units, 18. 110, 8 units, 18. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 110, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 110, 8 units, 18. 110, 8 units, 18. 110, 8 units, 18. Okay. 6. So, draw any object. 1 triangle, 2 triangles, 3 triangles, 4 triangles, 5 triangles, 6 triangles. Okay, this is 6. 20. 20 means 2 tens. 20 means 2 tens. How to write here? Listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 110, 2 tens. 2 tens, 20. 2 tens, 20. 2 tens, 20. Okay? Again, listen. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 11. 110, 1 unit. 110, 1 unit, 11. 110, 1 unit, 11. 110, 6 units, 16. 110, 6 units, 16. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 arrows. 13. 110, 3 units. 13. 110, 3 units, 13. 18. 110, 8 units, 18. 110, 8 units, 18. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 triangles. 20. 2 tens. 20. 1, 2. 2 tens, 20. Okay? Now, we solve some questions on 1 to 20. Okay? Now, the first question, match the following. Match the following. Listen, here is 110, 7 units, 17. 110, 2 units, 12. 110, 4 units, 14. So, in this bracket, this is 110 and 1, 2, 2 units means 110, 2 units, 12. Where is 12? Here is 12. So, so join this 110, 2 units, 110, 2 units, 110, 2 units, 12, 110, 2 units, 12. So join this. Okay. 110, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 units, 110, 4 units, 14. 110, 4 units, 14. Where is 14? Here. 110, 4 units, 14. So join this. 110, 4 units, 14. 110, 4 units, 14. Then here 110, 7 units. 110 7 units 17. 110 7 units 17. So join this. So we match the following by this type. Okay? Can you? Okay. Now the next one. Circle the correct number. Circle the correct number. Listen, what is it? This is 110 and 3 units. 110, 1, 2, 3, 3 units. 110, 3 units means 13. Where is 13? Here is 16, 13, 14, 110, 3 units. 13. So circle this. 110, 3 units. 13, 110, 3 units. 13. Okay. Now count this. 110, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units. 110, 5 units, 15. Here is 110, 5 units, 15. 110, 7 units, 17. This is 5 times 1 unit, 51. This is not. So 110, 5 units, 15. Here is 15. So circle 15. Okay. Listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 stars. So where is 8? 7, 8, 9. Here is 8. So circle the number 8. Okay. Listen. How many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 balls. So circle here 8. Okay. Now listen. Count the objects and write the number. Count the object. Here is 110. The units 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 110s and 9 units means 19. 110, 9 units means 19. It's 110 and 9 units 19. 110, 9 units 19. Okay. Now this one. This is 110 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units means 15. 110, 5 units means 15. 110s, 110, 5 units, 5 units means 15. Listen, easy, very, very easy. This is 110, so I write here 110. 5 units, so I write here 5 units. 5, okay? 110, 5 units, 15. Yeah. How many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 balls. So write here 9. Okay. Now how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 flowers. So write here 5. Okay. Very easy. Now the next one. Put the correct sign from the bracket. Here is bracket and in the bracket there are 3 signs. One is less than, second is more than, and this is equal to. More than, this is less than. 15 is less than 9. See, less than, then greater than, and equal to. This one, this is called less than, then more than or greater than, then equal to. Okay, which is how we write this sign. The number which is greater, you write 2 lines in front of that number. Okay. So here is 110 4 units and here is 110 8 units. 8 units are greater. 8 is greater. You know. So 14 and 18. 18 is greater. 14 is smaller. So here is smaller than. 14 is smaller than 18. How to read it? 14 is smaller than 18. The sign is smaller than. Okay. 14 is smaller than 18. Now here 9 and 16. This is not 9 is not 10. This is less than 10. Okay. So 9 is less and 16 is greater. Okay. So 16 is greater. So 9 is less than 16. 9 is less than 16. These two lines we must write to the greater number. Okay. Third one, 20 and 19. 20 means 2 tens and 19 means 1 10 9 units. 19 means not 2 tens. It is less than 2 tens. So 20 is greater than 19. So here we write the sign greater than. So 20 is greater than 19. This is smaller than, this is greater than, and this is equal to. Okay. Now write the greatest number. Write the greatest number. So here is 5, here is 9 and 8. So the greatest number which is 9. You know 9 rupees is all greater than. Okay. So 5 is the smallest and 9 is the greatest. So write here 9. Write here 9. Okay. 17, 110, 7 units, 17, 110, 2 units, 12, 110, 6 units, 16. Which is the greatest? Is 110, 110, 110. Same. And 7 units, 2 units and 6 units. 7 unit is greater. So which number is the greatest? 17 is greatest number. Okay. Now write the smallest number. Write the smallest number. Here is first 8, 11 and 6. You know 11 is the greatest. 8 and 6 means 6 is smallest. You know 6 and 8. Which fingers are greater? 8 fingers are greater and 6 fingers are smaller. You know. So 6 is the smallest number among these 3 numbers. Okay. 20, 14, 17. We know 20 is the greater number, greatest number. 14 and 17. Which is smallest? 14 is smallest. 14 is the smallest number. Now next one, write the numbers in ascending order. You know ascending order means upstairs. Ascending means upstairs. And descending means downstairs. Ascending means upstairs and descending means downstairs. Okay. So in ascending order we must write first the smallest number. We know how to find out the smallest number and the greatest number. Okay. We know how to find out the smallest number and the greatest number. Means the ascending order is smallest to greatest. Ascending order is smallest to greatest. We must write first the smallest number and the last the greatest number. Okay. This is called ascending order. In Marathi it is called Chadta Kram. Ascending order. So we must write the smallest number. Here is 12, 17, 9. So you know 9 is the smallest number. So write here first 9. then write comma, then 12, listen, 9 is the smallest number, so we write first 9. In ascending order we must write first the smallest number, then 12 and 17. Here 1, 10, 2 units and 1, 10, 7 units, means 17 is the greatest and 12 is smaller number. So we must write here 12, because at the last we must write the greatest number. 17 is the greatest number among the three numbers. Okay? So 9, 12, 17. When we write this ascending order, we must check. By this we know 1, 2, 3, 4. So which number come first? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First 9. 10, 11, 12, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. This is called ascending order. Then 18, 13 and 16. 110, 8 units 18, 110, 3 units 13, 110, 6 units 16. So which is the smallest number? In the ascending order we must write first the smallest number. Which is the smallest number? You know, there's 13 is the smallest number. You know, here is 110, 110, 110 and units 8, 3 and 6. So 3 units are less than the other numbers. You know, 3 units are less than. So 13 is the smallest number. So we must write 13 first. 13. Then 16 and 18. 18 is greatest. So write 16. Then write the greatest number last. 18. 13, 16, 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. First came 13. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. Now write the numbers in descending order. You know, descending order means downstairs. In descending order we must write first the greatest number. In descending order we must write first the greatest number. And which is the greatest number? 15, 18, 12. Here is 110, 110, 110. 5 units, 8 units, 2 units. So 8 is the greatest. So 18 is the greatest number. In descending order we must write first the greatest number and last the smallest number. In ascending order we must write first the smallest number and the last number is the greatest number. But in descending order we must write first the greatest number and the last the smallest number. So which is the greatest number? 18. So we write must here first 18 and afterwards 15 and 12. So 12 is the smallest. So write here 15 and the last the smallest number 12. By this type we solve this type of question easily. So this type of questions comes in 1 to 20. So you know, you recognize all these, how to solve the papers and how to write the answers. Okay, thank you very much.